Apologizing and forgiving. Building stronger friendships. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome back to another exciting English lesson. Today, we'll be delving into the important topic of apologizing and forgiving as part of maintaining healthy friendships. Whether you've made a mistake or someone you know has, understanding how to apologize and forgive can strengthen your relationships. So, let's dive right in. Apologies are essential in maintaining harmonious friendships. When you make a mistake or hurt someone unintentionally, it's crucial to take responsibility and offer a sincere apology. Here are some key points to remember. Acknowledge your mistake. Recognize and admit what you did wrong. This shows that you understand the impact of your actions. Express remorse. Show genuine regret for your behavior. Use phrases like, "I'm sorry," "I apologize," or "I deeply regret." Take ownership. Accept accountability for your actions without making excuses or blaming others. Offer to make amends. If possible, suggest a way to rectify the situation or make up for your mistake. Remember, a heartfelt apology demonstrates your sincerity and willingness to repair the relationship. Just as important as offering an apology is the ability to accept one from others. Here's what you need to know. Listen attentively. When someone apologizes to you, give them your full attention. Show respect by actively listening to their words. Acknowledge their apology. Let them know that you appreciate their effort to make amends. Use phrases like, "Thank you for apologizing," or "I accept your apology." Forgive sincerely. Granting forgiveness is a way to move forward and mend the relationship. Respond with understanding and kindness. Remember, accepting apologies and granting forgiveness allows for healing and growth within friendships. Apologies and forgiveness are the first steps towards rebuilding trust in a friendship. Here are some valuable points to consider. Open communication. Discuss the situation openly and honestly. Share your feelings and concerns to establish a deeper understanding. Set boundaries. If necessary, establish boundaries to prevent similar situations from occurring in the future. This ensures a healthier dynamic in the friendship. Give it time. Rebuilding trust takes time and patience. Be willing to work together and give each other the opportunity to demonstrate growth. By actively working towards rebuilding trust, you can create a stronger foundation for your friendships. Congratulations! You've completed our lesson on apologizing and forgiving in the context of maintaining friendships. Remember, making mistakes is a natural part of life, but how we handle them can make a significant difference in our relationships. By offering sincere apologies and granting forgiveness, we foster trust, understanding, and growth within our friendships. I hope this lesson has been helpful to you. Keep practicing, and soon you'll become a pro at maintaining healthy and lasting friendships. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.